Okay, so I'd like to start off by asking my opponents, if the Three Strikes Law were changed, would they release the current imprisoned criminals who were sentenced under the Three Strikes Law? That would actually be illogical because it would increase potential crimes in the state and on the streets. It was said by John R. Schaefer, a member of the FBI. He wrote an article that was published in April 1999, the issue of FBI Law Enforcement Bulletin. He stated that since California enacted its Three Strikes Law in 1994, crime has dropped 26.9%, which translates to 815,000 fewer crimes. Therefore, if these inmates were released because of the change in the Three Strikes Law, the number of crimes committed in California would not continue to decrease, and the state of California would not be safe. Dan Lundgren mentioned that, Robin mentioned this also, the 15-year report shows that Three Strikes prevent approximately 1 million serious or violent crimes per year. So with that said, the streets of California would be much safer, and we'd be able to live crime-free, hopefully. And going back to my second refuting claim regarding the cost of inmates in prison due to the Three Strikes Law, Greg Jolivet also mentioned that the cost of their additional time in prison because of the Three Strikes Law is difficult to estimate because many of them would have returned to prison even in the absence of the Three Strikes Law for new offenses or parole violations. Lastly, it is clear that the Three Strikes Law is supported by California residents because an online article mentioned that supporters of the Three Strikes Law call the law a success since offenders are off the streets for at least 25 years and are not able to harm the public again. Also, in November 2004, California voters considered Proposition 66, which aimed to significantly revise the Three Strikes Law and rejecting Proposition 6. Voters seem to reaffirm their support for the measure. So, people also said that Prop 66 would help protect their children by creating harsher penalties for child molesters and removing repeat offenders of society, or from society for life. So.